No, well, he missed that car. He got the BM. If you get bored, you can split off. It's up to you. I'm just going to go left again.
I wouldn't be doing much more other than walking around anyway.
What the fuck is that? Is that a Honda? Is that a Mazda? It's a fucking Mazda.
So that's squeaky brakes.
Yeah, I know, right? I honestly thought it was a Civic.
Tickets to the Horizon Festival as well.
Yeah, I did too. I thought I'd try and get lucky and I bought like the expensive one.
Yeah.
And yeah, they said like only 300 people can put their cars in the front row or some shit.
Like it. MTS7, right?
Yeah, let's go over there. I'll trace back. Fuck it. The cops are over there.
That's German now. There you go.
Yeah, that's true. The Commodore's German. And they don't care I parked on the yellow lines, do they?
That's not their problem. Not their problem.
Yeah.
It's not illegal. It's where most bikers park.
True. Yeah, I mean, this guy parks a fucking trolley.
How the fuck is he getting
I don't know how you got the MT in there. A Grom, sure, but the fucking MT. Yeah, I don't know.
That's close, dude.
Yeah, that is. He would have had to get off by stepping on the bars.
There.
Here you go, Dad. 86s, fucking 600 of them.
Yeah, I'm gonna another meet up.
Oh yeah, another beat up. What's that? It's a Commodore. Or Ford. Look at all the people standing around the Groms.
Yeah, I definitely parked my bike in that spot.
Yeah, true. Oh, sorry, man. I cut you off there. What are you looking at?
No, just looking at it that way.
This way?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, we just walked down here. Fuck it. Check out the wing. Super.
Wow, hello.
Fuck.
Someone's got some money.
Yeah, what's that, like 80 grand?
Yeah. And hard as fuck to get into South Australia.
Yeah, true.
I thought my bike took forever. That thing would have fucking hell. Is that a super? I fucking love that thing, man.
Yeah, I know, it's a good one. I love the guy. I like the like real Z4. Pretty old school, but I still use them in Le Mans. Oh, GT series.
Okay.
They go up against the 458s, all that sort of shit.
They're that quick.
Well, they're a bit outdated now, but I don't know why. BMW just keep using them. They just haven't ditched them yet. They are good cars though. What is that? A Toyota. An old school Toyota. A Corolla. My father had one of these. I don't know if it's this one though. That's why I'm filming it. He might have.
It's KE.
KE?
Yeah,
No, it's not a KE70.
No?
Nah. I've heard a lot about them 70s. I don't think it's a 70.
Cool.
Is there a way to tell? Yeah, that's pretty cool. I don't know. It could be a 70, but I really doubt. I don't think so.
I like how there's no place so sad.
Yeah. Oh, I hate the headlights. It's a hatchback version. Oh, what is this? This is up my dad's alley. 6.3 AMG. I'm just filming dark blackness. Fucking there you go. Hang on. There you go. I can turn that off. What is that? Oh wow, it's a Camaro.
Would you look at that?
Oh yeah, hang on there. Another 86, there you go. Same as Golfs though. Golfs are starting to bore the shit out of me. I love them, but they're just so fucking common. Look at this one.
That's not common.
That's it's got a whole paint job on it. Awesome. That's something Midnight Club would do. Yeah, I know, right? Renault Cup. My dad's got to watch this and roll his eyes because I'm feeling is really shit. Yeah, might as well be. They can wait. See, I tried to film the last one, but I done it way too late, and all the cars are gone. There's a Lexus.
No, I've been going to toilet for the past like 4 hours.
Supra. It's black, so the camera won't pick it up very well. Oh no, there you go. It's not too bad. No, dude. Oh, sorry, you're not in it. Maybe your feet.
I don't care. I just want to be, rocking the picture or video.
There's something you won't see every day. A 3000 GT. Not trying to be a cunt about it. Come on over there. Some more old school Monaro looking thing.
Oh, at least the cover dog moved.
Yeah, I know, right? He's probably watching everyone now because you couldn't see him over there.
Yeah.
Lancer. Hey, there's a GR Yaris.
They're actually pretty nice.
They are nice. Which way are we going, right?
Yeah.
Fucking cops. You nod to them and they just stare at you. So, okay, hello. I guess I'm just nodding to myself. Tons of these Monaros out.
Which is funny because most of them wrapped around the pole in the first year.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. Oh, look, there's another VLZ. Woo!
They're way too common, man.
Yeah, I know.
They're like the old Lancers.
Oh, yeah, they're nice. How old are you talking about? Like 8 or like 5 sort of thing? 5. Fuck. Oh, real old. Yeah, they're nice.
Annoying sounding things that you drive past over.
Yeah. Oh, look, another A6. Alright, man.
Yeah, I definitely want.
Daniel, get off the road, you're going to get run over.
Oh, we got some light. Oh, another 86. Where did he come from? That's a rare sight. You seen that fucking meme? It's an AU Falcon. There's an AU. There's another meme going around like TikTok. They're like, oh my god, it's an AU Falcon. They're like, yeah. I've seen it a lot lately.
Weird ass wheels having F14.
Where's it? Oh fuck. Yeah, bling wheels. Yeah. Big fat wheels. Oh no. They're like old muscle sort of wheels. They used to be popular too. Them silly cars.
Yeah.
What happened to them?
Broken down on the side of the road.
You're probably right. That's a cool paint job.
Yeah, Miata.
Oh, better not show him the Miata. My dad hates Miatas.
I wonder what they're announcing.
The winner of the most beautiful show car is the fully kitted out Honda Grom. Not the 86. There is a beautiful R34. He might give me some competition. Well, apparently that's only like showcase car park, that place where we parked. But he was like, oh, you got a bike, you're fine. There's my dream car.
I should have just stopped with the others because they were stopped with the roundabout.
Ah, yeah. But you were riding with that group by the sounds of it.
Yeah, I was.
From this beginning?
Nah, I'm not from the beginning. I got on South Road and they're all riding. Fucking hooning up there.
Yep.
I joined in. Love getting my ass
Did you
smoked.
blend in with the gang? Did you just give them a nod and just fit it in?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then I told the fucking vehicle that his mic's too loud.
Well, you pulled up to the lights or something, did you? Or when you pulled
I
up?
was just riding it next to him.
Oh, hey, look, might as well show my dad bikes. He loves bikes. I'll turn the flash on, please. There's a nice looking bike. There's the caddy. And there's only 3 bikes and 2 tractors. So, there you go. There's a Suzuki. There's a tractor. There's a Ducati. And there's a 650. Piece of shit.
You got jokes.
slow bike. No, it's a beautiful bike. Maybe I'm just jealous.
You know, if there's one thing I
Give
hate
me your
about
bike.
riding a bike,
What's that?
is that it's fucking hard to clean.
Oh,
They are
especially
so
rims and shit.
Yeah.
I'd never clean my. Oh, Dad, your favourite. He hates
Tesla.
it. Hates it.
There's actually got some pretty sick rims on.
Yeah, I like Tesla rims. Oh shit, it's recording, but not here and say that. My dad would do the same thing. Here's a Magna.
I love how they're parked in the showcase way.
Yep.
What is that?
Yeah, I know, right? And the winner is the Magna. Oh shit. That's fucking good enough. We filmed 11 minutes. Sorry for the real dodgy filming. But you get the gist of it.
I love the Ferrari.
Well, oh yeah, the Ferrari. We'll end it on the Ferrari. That will just make the video worth it for him. There's a Ferrari.
I'll save the best to last. Dad.
Focus on the Ford. There is a Ferrari, but there's the Falcon. Right. I'll do one walk around and I'll stop. Yeah, it's still there, I think so. I can't zoom out, I don't want to step on the road. I think it's the only supercar here. Anyway, sorry, I am sorry for the real dodgy filming. I just wanted to chill out with my friend. Here's a BMW. And 2 Skylines. Guess this runs a 34 and guess this runs a 33 or a 32. I don't know the difference.